guess what came in the mail today, boys and girls? We got the Yeezy V2 350s in the cloud white colorway. Now, I don't really wear Adidas that much. I don't really rock like Yeezy, stuff like that. But if it's gonna be Adidas, it has to be a Yeezy, because you know Kanye, you already know he was rocking with the Nike gang. So today, boys and girls, this is what we have. Shout out to the Shoe Out plug for hooking me up with these bad boys right here. This is the box. I copped them in a size 11, and just so you guys know, they sent this out for me free to drop a review, so I have the links for them in the description so you guys can check out. These are the UA versions, of course, but you know what we're rocking, still flexing. So I might resell these after this, because I said before I don't really rock Yeezys that much, but it's a pretty cool shoe. So let me just unbox these to show you guys what it came with. So unboxing them, you just have the shoes inside, and I got the cloud white. Now I thought these were gonna be like all whites, but apparently it has this like tint of blue. If you could look at that, you could see the blue right there. You know, it's still a fire shoe though. So this is the left pair, and this is the right pair. So let's just get this box out of the way, and we're gonna talk about the shoes a little bit, and then I know what you guys are here for, the on feet review. So I got you the on feet review, of course. So obviously the Yeezys are super comfortable, guys. We all know this. We have some, I don't know what to call this, some paper, shoe paper inside. Nothing special. Ooh, they smell nice. They smell nice. We have the tags on the side, but the first thing that caught my attention for some strange reason was the laces. I don't know why. I just thought these laces looks really, I don't know, it just look aesthetically pleasing to look at. You know, the laces look nice. The shoe, the overall shoe design, I'd give it like a say 7 out of 10 or 8 out of 10. I don't really like how the tongue is, but I like the heel, and the support you get from the heel is super nice. The boost is also really comfortable. I tried these on before making this video. Obviously I was super excited, so I tried them on before, and it's probably one of my most comfortable shoe I have right now, alongside my Presto. So if you look inside here, this is what inside looks like. We have like this blue insole, looks really nice inside there. Take out the insole to let you guys see the boost inside as well. So if you look inside here, you can see the boost, and as I said before, this boost is super comfortable. I'm not sure like what's the most comfortable Yeezy they have out, or the most comfortable Adidas, but this is probably up there with the best. But as I said before, guys, I'm not really a shoe guru. I'm not like Seth Fowler or Sean Gore, one of those guys, so I don't know like too much. I just know that it has a Primeknit upper, it's rocking the boost, super comfortable, super fashionable, and the colorway is really nice. It has like different shades of blue on the shoe as well. So if you look right here, it's kind of like, this side is kind of like a I would say I don't know what to call this color. We have the white stitching with what, I don't know, teal? Is that, I don't know. It's some weird ass colors going on here for a cloud white shoe. So yeah, without any further ado, let's hop on to the on-feet review of the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 cloud white colorway. Let's go.